Hello, my loves. How are you doing? I'm good. My name is Jacqueline, if you're new, and please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content and click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I post. So, today I want us to look at how to make her chase after you. How do you make her chase you? That's our topic today. And so, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Let's get started. Are you tired of always being the one to chase after love? Why not learn ways to make the girl you fancy chase after you for once? If you knew how to do this, it would be a pleasant change for you and will pump up the passion for her. Practical ways to make her chase you. There are two surefire ways to get the girl you like to not only like you back, but to actively chase you for your attention and affection. Obviously, you can't outright ask a girl to pursue you. That would be weird and would certainly have the opposite effect. Instead, use these subtle techniques and you will have her thinking about you and coming to ask you for a date instead of the other way allowed. Number one, make yourself attractive to her. If you're trying to figure out how to get a girl to chase after you, there are some simple things you can start with that will make you appealing, not just to one girl, but to all girls. Confidence. Confidence is key to a man's attractiveness to girls. Girls love confident guys. Whether the guy is loud and outgoing or quietly confident, a man that is sure of himself is always desirable. Passion and value. A man who knows passion for the things he loves is very attractive to women. It shows that he really values the things that are important to him. In a woman's mind, this means that if he was with her, he would be passionate about her and value her above all else. Appearance. It goes without saying that if you are planning on learning how to make a girl chase after you, you will need first to check your general appearance. Whatever your style, it's vital that your personal hygiene is good. And if you want to get the girl's attention, make sure that you are always looking good. Another thing, dress code. Do you look like you care about how you look? Do you look cool, fashionable, smart, or scruffy? The way you look will say a lot about who you are, so choose carefully. It's a good idea to be sure that the dress code you keep is one that will attract the attention of the kind of girl you want you to. Number two, social skills. In your efforts to understand how to make her choose you, it will help if you know what types of behaviors will have your crush crushing on you. Don't be desperate. This is the first point and can be considered to be the most important one. Do not overact desperate to get a girl to like you. Desperation leaks of lack of self-confidence. Neediness is a major turnoff. When trying to get a girl to chase you, your behavior needs to be the complete opposite of desperate. Be humorous. Girls love guys with a good sense of humor, so make her laugh. You don't need to be a clown. Clowns are not sexy, but being light-hearted enough to be able to make jokes often is an attractive character to have. When the guy you like realizes or she's always smiling and laughing when she's with you, she will definitely want to be with you more and more. Be familiar with her social circle. If you are thinking of how to make her chase you, as naturally as you can, just start hanging out with her friends. Notice who her social circle is and get close to them too. Being around her often will make it easier for her to notice all your charms and to begin to pursue you. Yeah, learn to say no. You might believe that the way to get a girl to like you is to agree with all of her opinions, preferences, and requests, but this is not the case, especially if you want her to like you enough to chase after you. If you don't agree with everything she says or asks for, she will be more intrigued by you. Your ability to maintain an opinion that is different from hers or says no to something that might be inconvenient for you shows her that you have the strength of character. This is an attractive trait in a man. However, be smart with what you say no to. If she is asking for your help, always be happy and quick to help out. If she asks you out on a date and you say no, she might never ask you or any other guy for that matter on a date ever again. Leave when it's time to leave. The idea is to leave them wanting more, as they say. If you are always allowed, you'll not give your crush the opportunity to miss and feel the need to come looking for you. Also, people that are too available are not enticing. There is no mystery or incentive to start a chase. Friend zone her. In the game of how to make her chase you, one of the best moves you can make is to put her in the friend zone. In this purely platonic, relaxed relationship, the girl you fancy will get to see what a great guy you are, but without a romantic relationship being offered. This will attract and confuse her. The confusion will have her thinking of you more than she would have before. The thoughts of the attractive, confident, funny, and strong guy that you have shown her you are will grow her feelings towards you. Yet the fact that you're showing no interest in chasing after her means that she will have no choice but to chase after you. Tell her she's a distraction. Obviously, this will only work if you appear to be a very busy, highly productive person, which is appealing in itself. Telling a girl that she is a distraction to you will do several things. 1. She will know that you have noticed how attractive she is. 2. It will show her that you're disciplined and focused. Women love this. 3. It will let her know that if not for other circumstances, you would be the one pursuing her. 4. It will make her excited and will make getting you a challenge that she feels she will win because you already like her too. Summary: getting the girl you like to chase after you might sound like fantasy, but it's not as difficult as you might think. All you have to do is make sure that you look good, behave in ways that will get you noticed, and stand out from other guys. Show her your best qualities, and if she likes what she sees, she's sure to prepare for a chase to win herself the prize. So, guys, that's all I had to share. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post anything. See you on my next video. Bye bye.